What's up, guys? Dr. M3 here with some really awesome news. It's been a while. Everybody knows the excitement around the C8 Corvette, and I am so excited to be letting you know that I traded the Huracan Performante for the C8 Corvette. You can see it right here. The car is absolutely stunning. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this earlier. So if you haven't done that, go check it out. Here is a M3 car after my own name leaving. But yeah, Performante had to go. Time for the C8 Corvette. I'm so excited. Glad you guys could come along for the experience.
So we are out here at Tom Henry, and we're going to bring the Performante in for a side-by-side with the C8 Corvette. So I'm going to show that to you here in a quick second. Get out of this. Into Corsa.
All right.
That's great.
All right, guys, I gotta come clean. I didn't trade the Performante for the C8, though it is such a good car. I think Chevy has a hit on their hands here. I want to especially thank Tom Henry and Kate from Tom Henry Chevrolet for inviting us out. This car is just absolutely stunning. If you're interested in ordering a C8, go ahead and look at their contact information in the description. Thanks again for watching, and of course, this is April Fools. Sorry I had to do it to you. Enjoy. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.